mix with some rock and roll, Motown, R&B, and backwoods soul. The bass drum kicks and away we